I am Darshan, your host, and you are watching Poddar Bulletin. Poddar students excel in Space Day contest and qualify for Vidarbha level competition. PIS faculty recognized with prestigious award by Science Olympiad Foundation. Poddar student qualifies for divisional level chess tournament. Poddar International School triumphs at Taluka level. Poddar Gondia hosts special workshops on adolescence for boys and girls. Poddar Prep Gondia celebrates Independence Day with grandparents with a theme MasterChef United Flavors of India. Miss Anvi Visain and Miss Rimjim Gajbie have made the school proud by securing the second rank in the model making competition.
National Space Day division level competition was conducted by Vigyan Bharati and hosted at Star International School Gondia. The contest witnessed enthusiastic participation from schools of grade 8 to 10 in categories like model making, poster making, rangoli and essay writing, all based on fantastic themes such as space station, space journey and the impact of space technology on environment. Their creativity and scientific thinking not only inspired the judges but also paved the way for all the next step. The duo was now selected for the Vidarbha level competition to be held on 25th August 2025 at Royal Public School, Bhandara.
Science Olympiad Foundation, popularly known as SOF, has honored Ms. Damini Tripathi with the prestigious title of the Best Overall Coordinator at the district level for the academic session 2024-25.
This honors comes as recognition for her outstanding contribution, dedicated efforts, and excellence in coordinating Olympiad activities. Her tireless work has not only brought pride at Poddar International School but has also added glory to the entire district. The school management, Principal Mr. Mahindra Jagdale, and entire Poddar fraternity extended their heartfelt congratulations to Ms. Damini Tripathi.
Master Vrind Agrawal and Ms. Sanvi Bahekar has qualified for the divisional level chess tournament organized by DSO Gondia.
Master Vrind Agrawal and Ms. Sanvi Bahekar, they secured a place in upcoming divisional level chess tournament showing their talent, dedication and perseverance. School principal Mr. Mahindra Jagdale along with sports teacher Mr. Anand Gadekar, Mrs. Varsha Uike and teaching staff congratulated them on their success, embracing that it reflects the outcome of consistent practice and determination.
PIS Gondia delivered a remarkable performance at the Taluka level badminton tournament, clinching the under-17 championship title.
The school's team, Jasni Thora, Laksh Pratyani, Avinash Labdani and Shubh Agrawal, displayed greed and determination, securing successive victory against strong opponent to emerge champions. Their impressive performance has also earned them selections for the upcoming district level badminton tournament, marking yet another proud moment for the school. The players credited their success to Principal Mr. Mahindra Jagdale, Coach Mr. Anand Gadekar, Ms. Varsha Uike and their parents to the constant encouragement and support.
Poddar girls shine in badminton, secure the second place at the Taluka level badminton tournament.
Ms. Kriti Agrawal, Chitra Chuttani, Arna Jain and Ira Parate showcased great skills and teamwork, securing second place. Principal Mr. Mahindra Jagdale, teachers and parents congratulated the team, praising their hard work and dedication.
PIS Gondia organizing a special health awareness programs for the students of classes 5th to 10th, focusing on adolescents.
On 11th August 2025, a boys' welfare meeting was held in the presence of Principal Mr. Mahindra Jagdale under the guidance of Dr. Parag Jaipuria, specialist in genitourinary surgery. Dr. Jaipuria guided students about the physically and emotionally changes of adolescence, encouraged them to share concerns with parents or teachers, avoid harmful content, act responsibly, and maintain discipline in daily basis. Students actively interested and asking questions about hormonal changes and age-related issues.
On 12th August 2025, a menstrual health workshop was organized for the girls student led by consultant obstetrician and gynecologist Dr. Juhi Bhalutia.
She educated students on menstrual health, hygiene practice, ecological products and ways to maintain common issues like cramps and emotional changes. She also cleared misconceptions and motivated students to stay active, healthy and confident. Both initiatives provided students with valuable knowledge.
The special assembly dedicated to Tanapola, the festival that honors farmers and their beloved bullocks, was celebrated with warmth and grandeur.
Students presented a thought-provoking skit, Food for Thought, enabling sustainable choices, encouraging mindful and eco-friendly living. The celebration continued with insightful speeches on the significance of Pola, reminding everyone of the deep bond between the humans, animals and agriculture. Adding colors and rhythms to the event, a captivating dance performance set to the living folk tune Maja Belgaga brought the festival spirit of Maharashtra to life. The assembly beautifully blended tradition, awareness and celebration.
Poddar Prep Gondia celebrated Independence Day in a unique way with a family event, MasterChef United Flavors of India.
The day was filled with an engaging activities utilizing the symbolic puzzles, pure trick, music and movement, origami, fabric exploration, heritage games.
This concludes today's news bulletin. We will be back next Saturday with some more important updates. Thanks for watching.